Edifier has announced their brand new QD35 Bluetooth speaker. It is quite affordable. You're looking at $200. It really comes with a lot of features that will impress people that want to get a decent Bluetooth speaker that won't cost them too much money. The QD35 is designed to handle 24-bit 96 kilohertz playback, and it will offer support for LDAC as well as other features. For instance, you will have a 3.5 millimeter input for your analog source. It really gives you that option as well, and it can work very well with any smartphone that you pair it up to. It's coming with a 40-watt RMS amplification built into it. Edifier claims that the QD35 can easily fill a small room with sound. It's very loud enough for what the company has made it to be, for it to be able to at least provide people with very good sound as well. It can work well with the Edifier Connect app. It will allow users to synchronize the clock automatically or mentally, and it's really nice. It's really nice. What I can say now is that if you can afford to spend $200, you can buy yourself a decent Bluetooth speaker. So I'm gonna drop all the details for it down in the description. If you want to have a look at it, subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.